Why don't you speak to at least the protection aspect? I think that's important enough to.
Right. Well, as a producer, your basic intellectual property is going to be the publishing that you control on the song. That's what you own, because you're going to assign the copyright to the sound recording to whoever has hired you in exchange, hopefully, for a reasonable royalty. So controlling your publishing means you're going to set up your own publishing company. You're going to register them for copyright. You're going to affiliate with BMI, ASCAP, or CSAC, whoever you choose. So you're going to take care of all the housekeeping details, get the ISRC codes. I mean, of course, that's the master. But there are certain codes for the compositions. So there are things that you can research these things that, on the internet today. You have, there's so much information on the internet that there's no reason for anyone not to understand the steps that they ought to take to manage their own publishing. And I teach a course here in music publishing. I know you're out of Atlanta, but for people in this area, they want to take music publishing. Actually, it starts Tuesday over in San Francisco, Tuesday nights, 6:30 to 9:30. So we're going to go through the whole music publishing area, and that would be the most important aspect of a producer's intellectual property, is their publishing it.
Chris, talk something on the end of there.
I would just say, kind of to your point, you're going to invest a certain amount of money into pressing up material or merchandise or promoting yourself or doing all these things to push your business forward. I think to your point, I would, if it was me, spend a certain amount of money before I did any of that stuff and consult with a lawyer, and there's a lot of very credible lawyers. I know a bunch here in the Bay Area through my time at the Recording Academy. And just get your house in order, build your foundation, and get your publishing set up right, get yourself registered, and they can help walk you through that process, because it is confusing and it does take a while to really understand it all. So you want someone on your team, and an attorney is kind of your cornerstone.
Right. The absolute bare minimum I'm going to say to people is have your name somewhere on the copyright registration that you file. That'll create some presumptions that will protect you if you don't do anything else. I'd make that your priority. Either register the copyright in your own name or make sure you're at least on that document.
And you can do it online.
Yeah, that's true too.